Today is Monday. We are leaving the Wookies in the Woods in 3 days. We're going on Thursday. I'm so excited. This is my first time ever going to the Tail of the Dragon. And not only that, it's Wookies in the Woods. There's just gonna be a ton of Volkswagens there and a bunch of cool people to meet. So excited, but I can't get too ahead of myself. And that's for one reason. We have to prep. Everything has to be good with the car before we go. So what this video is pretty much gonna be is my entire prepping process for Wookies in the Woods, which trust me, is not as extensive as it may sound. It's a few little things that we have to button up, grab, get ready. But before we get into what today's prep work is, let's go back a few days over the weekend when I was down at ACM Technic with the guys. The TCU is finally getting cracked. I brought the GTI down to ACM Technic. Right now we got it in the bay. We're getting our TCU unlocked, flash to stage 2, and we're also going Uniflex. So not what I was expecting, but you know what? Sometimes you just gotta send it a little bit. We got the Uniflex kit right here. We got the man, Anthony. We're gonna be putting it on. Oh, dude, I'm so excited. Let me pay for it first. Sensor is going on. Oh my God.
We talking into spending your money.
I came here just getting my TCU unlocked and flash, and I'm leaving with Uniflex. Let's go.
It's not a bad thing.
It's a great thing. It's a great thing. Let me be clear.
Safely run, flex, and everything.
100%.
Yeah, I know. There, and that's your Uniflex sensor.
Sweet.
You just want to check those areas there to make sure it's not leaking around these fittings here. It doesn't seem like it is. These are pretty tight. All of that's good. Powered up.
Let's go.
Connector.
It's happening. The DSG is finally getting cracked. Now unlocked. That's crazy how easy it was.
Yeah, you don't even have to do anything.
I know. I'm just here watching. I'm literally just here.
Yes.
It's tune time.
Tune time.
Once upon a time, there was a very ignorant Evan that tried to attempt this. $1,500 later, I was tuned.
You're on a battery charger.
Oh yeah, we're chilling.
I'm outside. I'm not kicking the cable.
Damn! You know what? I should probably stand away, if anything. I'm a hazard. I'm gonna stand back here. This is gonna block me from walking over there. I'm not allowed to step in the vicinity.
Let's start. Oh no.
Let's go!
On the wall.
Okay. Oh.
It's the turn on animation.
Oh, that's cool.
New vehicle, here, central locking, lock vehicle when leaving, unlock when approaching. Now if you have your keys, shut it off. And then it works about 95 is whatever amount of time. And if you walk away, there you go.
Oh,
And
You
then
do
now,
walk away when leaving?
that's cool.
and then when you walk up,
Oh, so I don't even need to unlock the car. It just does it. It just senses the key. Thank you, kind sir. And that's it. The car is Uniflex stage 2. We are also fully unlocked, and TCU is stage 2 as well. Shout out to ACM Technic for helping me get everything put on the car. Shout out Anthony, he's the wizard. They're gonna be setting up at Wookies as well, so if you have a Mark 8, you wanna get your TCU unlocked, make sure to check them out at their booth. They're gonna be open, which days?
It's mainly on Thursday, Friday, and Sunday.
Definitely go check them out if you're at Wookies. Get your TCU unlocked and tuned. Now we're back to Monday. Basically what we have to do today is buy tools for Wookies. We're going to Harbor Freight, buying some shit. Might buy a little more shit. We'll see how crazy I'm feeling. But first, I need some gas. shit is criminal. I had a little bit of a bug with the Uniflex sensor. So just running the stage 2 tune for now. On the grill with my low rider, guns on both sides. We've made it to Harbor Freight. This is gonna auto lock. Oh, that's fucking sick. Shout out Anthony ACM. Let's just grab what I need. All right, so we just bought everything. It was like 130 bucks. Look at all this shit that we got here. Nothing crazy. We're just starting a little collection off. Just some essentials. But that is tools acquired. Now we gotta get home, organize that, put my other tool. When I get home, we're gonna organize the bag, put all my other stuff in there that I'm bringing. Oh my God, dude, Whataburger. Little side quest vlog. I got the tools, hit some golf balls, and now we're gonna eat some burgers.
We at Whataburger. Burger and fries. You're not.
Strawberry biscuits.
You're not gonna get a shake?
No,
Not gonna shake it?
No, I'm not gonna shake it.
What's the prickly pear? That prickly pear looks prickly. There's some perkies in there. He don't know what he wants. He has no idea what he wants.
Just some honey mustard and that.
How many? Just because we do charge.
5,000. This boy loves his honey mustard. He loves his beacon nuggets too. This is a nice chair. Real nice chair.
Hamburger.
I like the Whataburger. I ain't getting shit though. Damn fucking Whataburger.
Whataburger. Hamburger.
So this is Evan's I guess tutorial how to check if it's a good burger.
Peep game, right?
Alright.
If a burger isn't good with just cheese and ketchup, it's a bad burger. Like, that's how you know. That's how we test it out. I just got nervous. I thought that was my.
He was getting really excited. I was too actually.
Like you don't order a burger and test a burger based off of like all the extra stuff. If it's good with just cheese and ketchup, it'll be good with all the rest of the stuff. You need a good baseline test. And that's what we're doing today. But I also only order that every time. So that's besides the point. But you know what I mean.
That's actually awesome. What did you actually order?
Yeah, so we got a number 2 double Whataburger with just cheese and ketchup, fries, and a honey mustard. And they got this strawberry pinkity drinkity.
Okay.
The cameraman knows about the pinkity drinkity.
It's so good.
Also, we're gonna test to see if the honey mustard, I'm a big honey mustard connoisseur. If the honey mustard ain't worth a damn, that's gonna take some big points off. So we're gonna test the fries, the burger, the honey mustard, the bed.
First time at Whataburger.
First time.
Yeah.
I've had it back in Houston.
Really?
Yeah, this is like my at least probably 10th time trying it because I work here, so like free food and stuff.
Yeah.
Compared to like the other burgers, what do you think? I know you work here, but.
Well, yeah. I will say one thing I do like is that the burgers are actually big. Like the normal.
Yeah, the size looks good.
This is like the size of my head. It's pretty good. It's got some weight to it, for sure. I had a drink.
Alright, this is the first burger. Oh, you got the double? Yes, sir.
Double cheeseburger.
Alright, so tell me what you think. No, be honest about this. Don't
It tastes like a
bullshit.
cheeseburger. It's good. I wouldn't say it's spectacular. It's just cheese and ketchup. I don't know. But like if you get a double cheeseburger from Culver, there's more cheese. There's one slice of cheese on 2 patties. You know what I mean?
So there's not enough cheese on it.
I think it deserves another slice of cheese. This is the real shit. This is no joke. We tested honey mustard.
He's a real connoisseur on honey mustard. This is not good.
Off the bat, look at the lightness. Look how light this honey mustard is. Ooh, look at the consistency. It's a little. Okay, we're gonna stir it up a little bit. It's good. Wow, I really like that. Tastes like the honey mustard from Cheesecake Factory.
Who the fuck knows that?
Hamburger.
This has got the perky in it. I wanted to try the perky. That is strange. Oh God. that is sweet. This makes me want to whistle. I bet you're gonna like that better. I bet you. He tried it. Dude, they don't know what the fuck they're doing up there, bro. They really don't.
I mean,
They couldn't sign into their system like 12 times.
the security guard wanted to fight Ruben.
Yeah, he did. I said, bring it.
Loud ass Mustang. I want to fight you too.
He told me some. Okay, so what the hell just happened?
Everybody behind that counter, I mean, just sweet as can be. Lovely employees. However, they have no idea what the fuck is going on. Not a damn clue in the world of what is going on, and that's okay. Look, the place just started. We're gonna give them a little grace period here, all right? Burger, 6.5 out of 10.
Oh,
really
that's
nothing
a
great.
bell.
I'm gonna keep it a bucky.
Oh.
Like, it's really nothing special. Fries, 6.5 out of 10.
Damn.
Oh, honey mustard, valid. It's coming home with me. It is Tuesday. We just finished washing the GTI. This is the final wash before we go up to Wookies. Looking good. I was gonna clay bar, but like, why even bother? I'm gonna be driving 5.5 hours out. Just wanted to get a good baseline clean. And yeah, next time I pick up the camera, we're gonna be on the way to Wookies in the Woods. Thanks for watching.
Hamburger.